What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing an unboxing from Dentcraft tools. Dentcraft is near and dear to me. They were one of the first companies that I bought tools from. They've just always been a trusty, reliable company to buy paintless dent repair tools from. They're just a quality company. Flipping through their catalog, you can see everything that they offer, every tool you may need to get started in paintless dent repair. And Mobile Tech Expo, one of the largest expos for paintless dent repair. If you haven't heard about it before or want more information, check it out, mobiletechexpo.com. And the first product out of the box is the Dentcraft Tools multi-plug kit. It's a 1,300 piece kit that has a bunch of different manufacturer plugs, such as Ford or GM, small or large, locking or flush plugs, 1/2 inch diameter, 3/8 diameter. So once we remove factory plugs, we'll use that kit to go ahead and issue the vehicle a new plug. Next up, we have 2 spray bottles from Willie Quick Tools. These are just nifty and convenient to have around. They have magnets on the bottom so you can stick them to the panel of the vehicle or your toolbox. And they just spray and mist really nice when you're using it for glue pulling. So shout out to Willie Quick Tools for those 2 spray bottles. Next up, we have 2 common accessories that you'll see any paintless dent repair technician have on them. It's going to be window wedges and S-hooks. Window wedges will open up the window or wedge the panel open so we can get a tool into the side and repair the damage in the backside. And then you have those S-hooks there that will help just for leverage. Next, we're going to go ahead and have these Dentcraft R4 tips. These tips are super convenient for knocking down or pushing. The reason why I have 2 of each is just because if I use it for pushing, I'm only going to then use that tip for pushing and not use it for knocking down, and vice versa. If I use a tip for knocking down, I won't use it for pushing, and I will only use it for knocking down. So that's the reason why I have so many. Just like going to any other retail store, going to any paintless dent repair website is kind of the same. I go in for one thing and I leave with a cart full of others. This is actually what we went to the website for. This beautiful window guard. It has beautiful felt on the back side to protect the window, as well as this mirror polished finish on the outside there. It can be protected with that nice carrying case. And I also saw this wider version, and what came to mind were these higher end vehicles that typically have longer swooping windows. Having this wider, thick version of the same window guard was really going to help with the protection of the longer swooping windows that you typically see on either like a Tesla or even like a Porsche vehicle. So we got 2 of these window guards. That mirror polished finish allows you to see into the cavity of that door. There may be obstructions such as sound deadener, foam, bracing, and those mirror polished finishes allow us to select the right tool to get behind the backside of the damage to remove that dent. All of the links to these products from Dentcraft Tools will be found in the description below. And if you did like this video, let us know in the comment section. Also, if you'd like to see more content like this, hit that subscribe button and tell us what you'd like to see next.